Hey YouTube, I'm on my way to a gun show in Lubbock. I'm going to see what they have. Hopefully they'll have some good prices, and maybe I'll find some ammo or something like that. So anyway, we'll definitely, if they allow me to take pictures in there, I might take some pictures of what's going on in there. If not, I'll just let y'all know on my way out. So we'll see you in a little bit. There was nobody selling any parts where you could buy parts like to build an AR, parts to, well, they sold the whole upper and everything, but it's mostly all put together guns, old guns, new guns. I did take some pictures, and I'll be showing the pictures. I couldn't take a video camera in there, it said no videos, but you know, they can't stop you with a phone where you just hold it over and take a picture. So I did take some pictures like that, show some of those. Well, I don't know if you could say that was a waste, but I didn't buy hardly anything. I did buy one thing, so and it's going to be to make a video. I'm going to make a video of opening a can. So 75 cents. That's what I spent at the gun show. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.